Have you ever finished a long, exhausting programming lecture only to stare completely paralyzed at a blank computer screen? Over the next 5 minutes, you are going to build your very first working Python program without typing a single line of code. We're skipping the tedious syntax to focus on interactive building blocks, developing the logical mindset used by professional developers. Open a new tab on your device right now and prepare to click along with me. Bypassing the syntax lets you practice the core logic that dictates how software actually functions. Access your 30-day free trial workspace at brilliant.org/Alan Becker or scan the code on your screen. Skip past the introductory theory screens and jump straight into the Programming with Python module. This schematic outlines your environment. You have your library of blocks on the left and your wide-open canvas on the right. This layout helps prevent common beginner mistakes. You simply can't misspell a block when dragging int. Mastering this interface isolates the core skill of programming, decision-making, from the mechanical difficulties of typing code. Step 1. Select your first block from the menu. We'll start with a variable block. Click and drag it out into the middle of your open canvas. Next, locate a second block in the menu, this one representing an action. Pull this one directly toward the bottom of the variable block you just placed. You're looking for that physical snap. That connection confirms a logical link is successfully made. Now grab one final block and snap it to the bottom. The logic flows from top to bottom. Let's do a quick checklist right now. You should see exactly 3 distinct blocks, fully connected in a single vertical column. If your blocks aren't connected yet, drag them closer together until you feel that click. This snapping illustrates how programmers organize independent commands into a specific order to reach a result. Locate the Run button on your screen and click it to execute the logic sequence. When your blocks are arranged correctly, the platform immediately responds with bright visual feedback, showing your ultimate success. Now, I want you to purposefully swap the middle and bottom blocks to see how the system handles a deliberate error. The platform identifies the mistake instantly, clearly showing you exactly where the logic failed so you can make a correction. Swap those misaligned blocks back into their correct positions and hit Run one more time. This confirms that programming is an iterative practice of refining logic until the system works perfectly. You have now built, tested, and executed a working Python sequence entirely from scratch. The foundational logic within these blocks powers the code used in data analysis, artificial intelligence, and software development. Keep this momentum going by tackling the next 3 interactive puzzles on the platform independently. The link in the description provides a 30-day free trial and a 20% discount on an annual premium subscription. Engaging with these interactive challenges every day builds the technical skills you need to design and create your own programs.